Fix pull-up for precise seeking problem in YouTube. How to fix pull-up for precise seeking problem on YouTube. Hey there, welcome to the channel, and let's get right into this tutorial to fix the pull-up for precise seeking problem on YouTube. It will only take one step for you to do. Basically, what you need to do is check out your YouTube application in your device. So once you are in here in your bottom right corner, you will see a profile icon. Tap on it from here at the top. You will see the setting gear option. Click on the given option in the account. Settings, scroll down until you see the option of accessibility. Now if the accessibility player is turned off, just tap on it to toggle it on. Then you will see the second option, that is hide player control. Click on it, then set it on. After 3 seconds after this, the issue of the pull offer praise seeking problem for your YouTube will be solved if there is no such option for your device. This may require a system update for your device, as well as this might vary for according to your mobile model as well. Or you can try to update your YouTube using your Play Store or App Store. Hopefully this was helpful to you. Thank you so much for tuning in.